Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Kia Cadenza Limited. Stock number E1967P. Only 58,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Smokey Blue Metallic in color. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with power tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is where the backup camera display is with 360 view, dual zone automatic temperature control, additional radio controls, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owners. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cadenza has a 3.3 liter V6, 293 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cadenza, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.